and trucks and hauling freight, red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew, all with different roles to play. Around Tidmouth sheds or far away, down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends.
On a cold night like this on Sodor, sometimes you'll see Pulsey pulling the mail train. Sometimes you'll hear the noise of an owl hooting. Or maybe, just maybe, you might witness the sight of the ghost train of Tillie. Alright, that's all the mail. You're good to go, Pulsey. Alright. Oh, bust my buffles. It's chilly out here. Maybe I was right about engines needing scarves. Don't worry, lad. We should be back at the sheds before the sun rises. Oh, I hope you're right. Oh, hey, Duck. Hello, Pulsey. Alright, I'm gonna get going now. Just 3 more stops on the Great Western Branch Line, and I'm gonna go back to the sheds and get some rest. Oh dear, it's like the wind is getting stronger by night. Shouldn't mind that sound from the bushes. It's most likely a small little rabbit. Alright, Bill, Ben, I know that's you. Come out. I'll make sure to tell Topham Hatt if you don't stop. Hello? Alright, Thomas, you're all set to go. Okay, it's time to be really useful. What do you mean Duck is missing this morning? What's going on with Topham Hatt? Apparently, Duck went missing last night. What? Yeah, neither he or his train have been seen at all this morning. Oh my god. I hope Duck is okay. Yeah, me too. Alright, time to take this rest of scrap to the scrapyard. So, what if Duck was sent to be scrapped? Oh my god, but who would do that? Think about it, Saul. Who is the one engine on this entire island who for months have been talking about scrapping engines? You don't think it was? Yes, Saul. I think it might have been. He's said it over 1,000,000 times now. We are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who can't hurt a fly. Well, we need to go have a talk with him then.
No.
What?
No, I didn't take your call for scrap.
Oh, it must be somewhere else then. And one more question.
What?
Did you scrap Duck, and is that why he's disappeared?
No, I wish though.
Don't lie, Dieselton. We know you love scrapping engines.
I haven't even been able to scrap any engines in a long time. I'm too busy cleaning up this mess on the line and doing other tasks.
Don't you get help from Harvey for that stuff?
Shut up, green puffball.
Well, Diesel 10, if you're telling the truth, where were you last night?
I was up all night cleaning trash off the line and going back and forth taking it to the waste dump. I barely even visited the little restaurant.
Yeah, I'm not buying it.
It's true, we were on the east side of the island all night.
Wait, I have a driver? Since when?
Since forever?
That's diesel oil!
Well, so it wasn't Diesel 10. Sorry.
It's okay, Thomas. You two should go back to work now.
Right away, so.
Thomas was shunting in the yard with Percy when Henry came rushing in.
Guys! What is it, Henry? I might know what happened to Duck. Okay, well, tell us. A ghost train. A ghost train? Yes, last night when I was pulling the flying kibble to Wenham Docks, I thought this was gonna be my first normal flying kibble trip. But then I saw a ghost train. It spooked the wheels off of Duck. My driver took a photo. Can I see the photo? Oh my god! I also heard it make a loud scream sound. After that, my heart kept beating fast.
Engines have hearts?
Yes! Well, not heartless engines.
What are you guys chatting about? Am I the only one working here while showing off my splendid red paint?
James, it was a ghost train who took Duck.
A ghost what?
Ghost train! It's the spirit of an engine lost wandering the wheels of a railway. How ghost trains usually come to be is if they were in a tragic accident when they were alive, leaving only its soul.
Yeah, no duh, Percy. That's how all ghosts are made.
Engines have souls too?
What is with this guy? Of course engines have souls.
Yeah, we're not soulless machines.
Oh my god, I should just go back to working on the mainland.
So, anyways, it seems we have a lost soul roaming the wheels of Sodor. Who were they in their previous life?
Why would that be important, Thomas?
Everyone, I need to take my express now, but I'll alert the engines on Sodor about the news, and let me know and the other engines too about updates.
I'm not sure, Thomas. Henry's driver. May I see that picture again, please? It seems to almost be the shape of a Pioneer engine. It looks like that train Tillie from the Little Engine at Cookbook. You mean to tell us that the spirit who took Duck was a talking train from a storybook? Yes, I think so. I find that hard to believe. I remember a few months back, Thomas told a story of the little engine that could. But except in the end, she didn't make it over the mountain and crashed into a building. This doesn't make any sense. In the official story, she did make it. I only made that version because I was bored. Well, guys, I think it will take more than the four of us to take down this ghost. We will need every engine and off-wheel vehicle on Sodor. Yeah, we will all meet till tonight at 12 a.m. Alert all the vehicles on Sodor.
Right away.
The engines were nervous, but they knew they had to get rid of this ghost train fast. That night, Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Mavis, Bill, Ben, Bordy, Harold, Trevor, Diesel, Boko, Daisy, Late.
Okay, we get it. Everyone is here. Let's just get this over with.
Now we wait. Stay strong, guys. What do we do? Plan A. Make peace with her. Stop! We come in peace. What do you want from us? Why are you trying to kidnap us? If you need Diesel 10, you can take him.
Yeah, we don't care for him. Just give us Duck back.
Just stop, please. We don't want to fight. Yes, just tell us what you want, and we will do our best to give it to you.
What did she say?
I don't know. She just screamed, and that was it. I got a bad feeling from her response. Plan B, push her off the rails.
I got this, guys. My splendid wet paint will blast this ghost train away. Here's James! She's see-through. I should have known that.
Plan C, 1!
Edward! Edward!
Henry, there you are.
Come on, we must get out of here!
Thomas, I'm scared. Where do we go? Pussy, I don't think we have any other choice but to leave Sodor. What? Trust me, I heard in movies, ghosts only stay in the place they are haunting. So the ghost won't follow us to the mainland because it only wants Sodor. What about the other engines? You're right, we need to go back for them. This way. Guys, Golden, And we, Edward. The end. So, guys, what do you think of our Halloween story? Me, Posey, and Oliver came up with it on our own.
I think it was terrible. You guys mocked me, and for your information, my paint is splendid and shiny.
You do sound like that. You just said it right now.
I think it was okay. There was just too many silly scenes for what is supposed to be a scary story.
Well, you should lighten the mood once in a while. Well, it's a very different take on Little Engine, that's for sure. And I thought it was scary. Thanks, Edward. Everyone, Edward has a better review than any of you.
I don't care, Posey. I still stand by when I said a splendid wet engine like me shouldn't have to be mocked for some scary story.
Posey, and soon everyone else couldn't help but chuckle. And James replied,
Oh, shut up!
They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play around Tidmouth sheds or far away. Down